Have you ever wondered if there's a shortcut to building a strong credit history? A magical credit boosting potion that can instantly transform your financial standing? Well, today we're diving into one such claim, the Borrowell Credit Builder. This tool promises to help you establish or improve your credit score without the traditional risks of debt. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why credit matters. Your credit score is like a financial report card, influencing everything from loan approvals to interest rates. A good credit score can open doors to better opportunities, while a poor one can limit your options. Borrowell Credit Builder explained. So, how does Borrowell Credit Builder work? Essentially, it's a secured credit card. You deposit a sum of money, and that becomes your credit limit. As you use the card responsibly, your payments are reported to the credit bureaus, helping to build your credit history. Here's the key difference. With a traditional secured card, you are borrowing money. With Borrowell Credit Builder, you are using your own money. This means you're not incurring interest charges, making it a less risky way to build credit. Pros and cons. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, Borrowell Credit Builder offers a relatively safe and affordable way to build credit. It's a good option for those with limited or no credit history. However, it's important to note that it's not a quick fix. Building credit takes time and consistent responsible behavior. Additionally, some users have reported issues with customer service and limited card acceptance. Alternatives to consider. If Borrowell Credit Builder doesn't seem like the right fit, there are other options to consider. You could try a secured credit card from a traditional bank, where you could work on improving your credit through responsible debt management and paying bills on time. Ultimately, whether Borrowell Credit Builder is worth it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a low-risk way to establish or improve your credit, it's definitely worth considering. However, it's essential to do your own research, read reviews, and understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Have you tried Borrowell Credit Builder? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure, consider exploring other options to improve your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and advice.